That's correct. We've been the oldest Pinelli career canvas crew. We were also one of the founders of the Intercrew Council. I'm on the board of directors of that and past treasurer. And what they do is they
He's hardly breathing.
so that we don't have vents stepping on each other.
Well, tell me about
They're showing the boobies.
through this parade. So what's it been like to be out here?
Well, my day
That's their
started at
clear. That's
6:30.
theirs right there.
We got up, we had breakfast, we made it over to the harbor. We got on the Calypso Queen. We went out, we did the invasion. We came back,
Yeah.
we got back on
That's
the
a lot of weight.
buses,
Mom
took the
made
buses
me.
down, got on this, and we had a great
Oh
time.
no,
Well, tell me this, Tommy. How did
she's
you get
somewhere
to
else.
be
That's his
Students
queen.
West?
It's son.
We are elected by our past captains and past kings.
Well, congratulations. We certainly appreciate it. Oh, I got something. I'm excited. Oh. It's in there. It's gonna be something good. Oh.
There's the corn.
Oh my God!
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, that is awesome. It even has your name on it.
Get two more.
Oh, I get the corn.
We're gonna send it back up to you guys at the end.
She obviously can't hear
Yeah,
me.
we got one. You carry that corn with them. She didn't want that coin. She wanted some big ass bead. That's cool though. You carry a coin. That's special though. That's nobody gets that.